This video is to replace a handlebar end. This is Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. Bought an aftermarket handlebar end as part of the crash protection. Just to show what the original OEM, this is the body that's inside of the handlebar with the end piece and with the hardware. So just went ahead and removed those pieces. Did have some problems. This is the replacement piece that threads inside. Problem was there wasn't any instructions, and when you fasten this all the way down, it rubs up against the throttle and does not allow the throttle to return or spring back to zero. So did notice that there was a collar that came with the kit, but didn't know what it was for. Came to realize it's used as a spacer, but it did not slide over. So reached out to the manufacturer, got a replacement, and it does fit here. One other aspect that was unsure about without instructions was this aesthetic piece, whether to come from this side or whether to come from the inside out. As I put this together, I noticed that when it does bottom out, it's spaced away, which is good, so that throttle still functions. But the issue is that there's a little bit of a gap. So then I thought, well, maybe I should bring it in from this side. And initially put it together, but there is quite a bit of play, and it does move back and forth, and I just didn't want to have to deal with that vibration. So I'll live with the gap, I guess, and I'll put this from the outside in, and then we'll put it together. So you can see it does fit together now, and the throttle works fine, but unfortunately there's a little bit of a gap here. But should have been a 5-minute install, but the issues with no instructions and the fact that what they call a spacer did not fit kind of threw me off. All right, thanks.